Hey everybody, it's me Stacey here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and I'm here to tell you about the 4 weekly classes we have available right here on the Scrapbooking Made Simple YouTube channel. We start with Monday, which is our Make It Monday event, and if crafting on a budget or bang for your buck is something that is music to your ears, you're not going to want to miss a Monday. It is where we bring you values of upwards of $100, sometimes more, for just $19.99 or $24.99. Each week a different manufacturer, each week a different bundle, but the value is always the same. It's about keeping crafting affordable and really reaching out to those of you who are on a crafty budget and giving you an opportunity to have something new and exciting in your crafty stash. Then we move to Wednesdays, which is In the Studio with Stacey. And as a brand ambassador for Royal Talons, I get to tell you and share with you and teach you about fine art products and how we utilize them with paper crafting products. So if you have ever been interested in learning more about fine art or mixed media and how to use those in your everyday makes, come join me every Wednesday. Thursday, it's all about the latest and the greatest. Thursdays are our new For You events where we do partner with manufacturers and we bring you the latest, the greatest collections, the things they have just launched. And yep, they're going to be on sale for you right here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. I walk you through everything and then we show you the most beautiful finished samples for new for you. Lastly is Saturday morning, 8 a.m. sunny California time. That is our Saturday with Stacey class, and that is a technique-based class. We utilize lots of products from lots of different manufacturers, but it is technique forward. It's where we start at the beginning, super simple with that product, but by the end, I have shown you so many different ways of using it. And no matter where you are in your crafting journey, you're going to be able to do what it is I am teaching you. So 4 classes a week. We live chat during the premiere of all of them. Monday, Wednesday, and Thursdays start at 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, and Saturday mornings are at 8 a.m. sunny California time, 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. in the United Kingdom. Come live chat with me 4 times a week. And it's me, Stacey, here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. I'll look forward to seeing you then. Bye, everybody.